Cavalla Construction, we're doing excavation, we're doing grading, clearing and grubbing, underground utilities, the water, your sewer, and your storm, and then going into your sidewalks, asphalt pavement. The LIUNA member, Jairo Ochoa, is a driver who does street sweeping for us for the Frederick tunnel project in Baltimore. He's been here since middle of April. It's interesting to have someone who is so serious about his job that sometimes I forget that I have an employee until he calls me or it's Friday. I don't have to do a lot with him, and I think the fact that he takes the initiative makes it very easy for us. I had never heard of LIUNA or the LIFT program prior to last quarter, when I was introduced to it by Jason Williams during the Trade Point Atlantic Empowerment Academy. So he set up a meeting. It was a meeting with Marshall Brown, and they walked me through the process. I've talked to several people, so, in putting all the information together to make sure they had what they needed. We're looking into the bonding with LIUNA as well. And so it made it easy for me to want to try it out. We decided that this Frederick Douglass tunnel project was going to be a trial project, and we see how it goes. And the way it's going, we're about to add another LIUNA member in the next month or so, and maybe two a couple of months after that. I think the biggest question for me was, does my entire company have to now change into a union shop? How a partnership would look, where I keep my folks still open and they're doing their, but so I think the idea of doing this on a per project basis for me works. The good thing is, like this, going back to this Baltimore tunnel, Frederick Douglass tunnel for Amtrak, the opportunities are opening, and so it allows for us to kind of get more members and grow the relationship. Definitely, I think going forward, we're looking at expanding and looking at additional projects where we can partner with LIUNA on, and then have the ability to have that full backing of financing, workforce, bonding, makes it easier for a company like mine to start looking at, okay, so let's look at these other projects because we can fill that need because we have skilled people, so. You don't have to change how you're doing business, your staffing, how you run your business. I think the opportunity to do this on a per project basis actually makes it very attractive because you do have some projects that have PLAs and the like. And instead of turning it down, or you have a natural avenue to just go in there and participate. So the opportunity is there. You're not tied down forever. And I'll tell everybody, be like me, try one project. And if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. So far, I think we have been fortunate, and I want to keep that momentum going, so.